Namaste everyone and welcome to my channel Sapna's Yoga Diary. This is day 10 and you are learning yoga from scratch from zero. And I'm teaching you the way I teach my students. We are starting with Yogic Sukshma Vyayam. With these practices, if you practice these for a month, your joints will loosen up, stiffness will disappear, energy level will go up, and stamina will also increase. So let's begin the practice. Focus on your throat, breathe deep and loud. Start. Now, yes, focus on the throat. Now move your head side to side as fast and as freely as is comfortable to you. Now switch up and down. Now rotate one clockwise, one anti-clockwise. Complete 5 rotations, breathing normally, naturally. After this, I'm going to introduce a new movement for shoulders. This is going to release the tension from the shoulders. So observe and understand carefully. In this one, clench your fist. So thumb in, fold it with the 4 fingers, protrude your mouth forward and suck in the air with the hissing sound slowly. Fill the air in the mouth, apply chin lock and then vigorously move your shoulders up and down. Remember to keep the elbows straight. Keep moving shoulders up and down till the point you are comfortable. The moment you feel you are not able to hold the breath anymore, that is the time when you have to stop and bring the head in the center. Slowly exhale through the nostrils, not through the mouth. So here inhalation happens through the mouth, exhalation through the nostrils. Relax and let's repeat it one more time. Clench your fist, protrude your mouth forward. With the hissing sound, start sucking in the air in your mouth. Apply chin lock, filling the air in the mouth and vigorously move your shoulders up and down, keeping the elbows straight. The moment you feel you are no more comfortable, you will bring your head in the center again and slowly exhale through the nostrils. Slowly. Inhalation slow, exhalation slow. Inhalation through mouth, exhalation through nostrils. Next. In the next practice, inhale arms up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down. Don't hit your thigh, don't touch your head. Relax. Now, inhale arms up, bend back from the upper body, exhale, return. Inhale up, bend back, exhale, return. Clench your fist with the right hand, hold it with the left. Inhale, bend back, exhale, bend forward. Inhale up to the center. Now switch your arms and repeat. Inhale, bend back. Exhale, bend forward. Continue. Relax. Next, open your arms sideways, feet together. Inhale deep in the center, exhale on the side. Inhale back to the center, exhale on the other side. Keep moving. Relax. Now shoulder level distance between the feet. Extend your arms forward, fingers together, rapidly twist back, gazing at the thumb of the back hand, constant twisting, constant exhalation. Relax. Now, as you inhale, belly out, exhale, squeeze your belly in, contract. Inhale, expansion, exhale, contraction. First, we'll do fast. Inhale out, exhale in, inhale out, exhale in. Now go slow. Inhale, slowly expand your belly out. Exhale, slowly contract the belly in. Go as slow as you can. Relax. Next, as you inhale, open your arms and legs. Exhale, close. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. Go as fast as is comfortable. Okay, now we are going to reverse the breath. Exhale, open, inhale, close. Exhale, open, inhale, close. If you have confusion, you are not able to reverse the breath, then do it this way. This is a trick. Inhale first in the standing position, and when you exhale, open your arms and legs. This is how it becomes easy. Okay, let's move to the next practice. Next practice we learned in the previous session. Keep your feet together, clench your fist, extend your arms forward. Inhale, bend down. Hold the breath, come up, rotate your arm back, exhale down. Inhale down, come up, rotate your arm back, exhale down. Inhale, bend down, come up, retaining the breath, rotate and exhale down. Keep moving. Relax. Next, in the next practice, balance with one foot, lift the other one up and rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax and repeat on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now feet together, go on your toes, lift your heels up. We are going to do the jumping movement. 20 counts, jump with normal breathing, keeping your knees straight as high as you can. Try to come back at the same place. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Done. Relax. Now it's time for Shavasana with your legs apart, head, neck, spine in one straight line, arms few inches away from the body, palm facing the sky, body in the state of relaxation. Allow your whole body to relax. Relax. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Never skip Shavasana. Always remember this. I have told this thing multiple times in my videos that Shavasana, the relaxation practice, should never be skipped. I have taught you relaxation through deep breathing. We are going to repeat that again. As you inhale, expand your body, filling the air in as much as you can. As you exhale, very slowly release the breath out. Inhale up, expand your body. Exhale, slowly breathe out. Try to breathe out slower than breathe in. Inhale, expand your body, slowly inhaling. Exhale, slowly bring the body down, exhaling very slowly. Inhale slow, exhale even slower. This is the key here. With every out breath, your body will feel more relaxed. And the body and mind are connected. If your body is relaxed, mind becomes calm. Keep practicing. As you inhale, slowly feel the expansion in the body. As you exhale, slowly release the air out, feeling the sense of relaxation flowing throughout the body. Inhale, slow. Exhale, even slower. Inhale, slow. Exhale, slower. Inhale, slow. Exhale, slower. Keep practicing deep breathing till you feel the whole body is totally relaxed. Every part of the body, every cell should feel the sense of relaxation. And with this, I conclude this session. I hope you're enjoying this practice, enjoying the learning process. If you feel there is any improvement needed, let me know. If you have any questions, put it in the comment box. I will reply to you. And yes, do let me know how you are improving, what is the improvement you're making, and whatever you want to share about the practice, feel free to share. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. But before that, if you like this video, do give me a thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. Take care, stay healthy, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video tomorrow.